Assalamu alaikum mbadiolu ngali konton al tolla hanal konton la hande momone be wato mento na konton drobale al nal badi malum lamin fankama nata donc kata dam fola kibaru leddi alla meli alon ko nge tombale angale kala kana kedi alla maninka kala nyin kibaro nga bondale afrika la kata dam fo meli alon ko imarta afrika la kata dam fola memu kafti ila website o nyinto ngani bondale num wodlale to eko kafu ye talaro ke menketa ko afrika la kata dam fo me yalon ko world cup qualification o me yalon ko nyanta play la ya timol le tala me yalon ko nyanta ka ben timol me yalon ko nyanta benna mato nyinna minawo timol le tala ke tol dia la bankol me yalon ko ibenta kabring group A ban fo katabula group Aila kana kol timul nyilta ke tol dialla tim folo meli alon ko benta group F wala keta Algeria aning Burkina Faso aning Guinea Bissau, Sierra Leone aning Ethiopia aning Djibouti ñille keta bankol tim meli alon ko ibenta group A nyimfe group B bankol mel fana benta no woto wala mu Senegal anin DR Congo Mauritania anin Togo Togo anin Sudan anin South Sudan ñille keta group mo bankol tim meli alon ko ibenta group B nyimfe group C Nigeria anin South Africa, Benin anin Zimbabwe anin Rwanda anin Lesotho ñille keta bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group C ñimfe ni nata group D jibe meli alon ko ibenta nu woto wala keta Cameroon anin Cape Verde anin Angola Libya anin Eswatini aning Marutiwo wala keta bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group D nyimfe Marutiwos ngamera nying ata mutim kutol te meli alon ko anata nang nyille keta menti multi bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group D nyimfe ni nata group ila Morocco aning Zambia Congo, Tanzania, aning Niger, aning Eritrea ñille keta bankol te meli yalon ko ibenta group E ñimfe group F ni nata jibe Côte d'Ivoire aning Gabon, Kenya, Gambia, aning Burundi, Seychelles ñille keta bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group F ñimfe group G nina group G la bankol mel benta no woto wala keta Algeria aning Guinea Conakry aning Uganda Mozambique aning Botswana Somalia ñille keta bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group G fe group F Tunisia Equatorial Guinea Namibia Malawi Liberia aning Sao Tome ñille keta bankol te meli alon ko ibenta group F ñimfe group I Mali aning Ghana aning Madagascar aning African Republic aning Comoros aning Chad ñille keta groupe te meli alon ko ibenta group I ñimfe kabin kafu ya ñin talaro ke bankol meli yalon ko ibita ka plenum Africa ala ñi World Cup qualification me yalon ko anyanta play la nyim bankolu wala kata multi bankul team me yalon ko yetala anyanta benna kata damfo nyum fe no bodo je hansa ensi jibero kale koteke me yalon ko be dending na ni nata Gambia la kata damfo me yalon ko kabrila coach menketa Jonathan McKinstry kabraye ala timu molu tombong melialon ko bita kamabe New York nying kata damfo melialon ko World Cup qualification o melialon ka be play la Gambia atanin Kenya nyanta benna damembe kala ko damembe kala Africos banko nyin kanti kabrate ala mol tombong ay mol mel tombon sina ke tol fananta ke dialla Jonathan McKinstry kabra tomondro ke ala katadamfu lalula me yalon ko melbe play la African Cup of Nations nyinto ala goalkeeper ay mo sabale tombong goalkeeper ro menkeda Ibrahima Jaju aning Sexibi Musa Dibaga ñille keta goalkeeper team mel yalon ko ay tombong ñimmo sabulu ni nata hala defense line o ñinna me yalon ko ay tombo defense line o ñinto wala keta Umaru Koli aning Umaru Gay aning Alasana Joseph Cisse aning aning Laris Joseph Cisse aning Daddy Dudu Gay aning Momodu Lion Jai aning Sirefu Sanyang ñille keta multi mel yalon ko ayolle tombong mel keta la defense line o ñinti nobody je midfield ay mel tombong wala midfield o ñinto wala keta Sekou Touré aning Ibrahima Adam men keta Ibu Adam ti aning Abubakari Bari aning Alasana Mane aning Momodu Bajo aning Ibrahima Dabo Abdoulaye Diallo bari Abdoulaye Diallo ata keta mulati me yalon ko ay injury soro ya mo tombom pour ko sande ata mari ata Ibrahima ata Abdoulaye Diallo nyin noto menkete la midfield line o nyinti ni nata la forward nyinta ka jibe ala forward ay mel fana yalon ko ay tombong mel keta ala forward line o nyinti wala keta Musa Baro aning Musa Baro Aliou Sow aning Jibril Silla aning Yankuba Minte Abdullahi Sanyang aning Aliou Sow Abdullahi Sanyang Aliou Sow aning Abdullahi Cissé Alasana Jata ñille keta multimillion ko ay menketa Gambianola ñing head coach menketa Jonathan McKinstry menketa World Cup qualification o me yalon ko anyanta plela anyimulta ke tombom melketa la timu multimillion ko ebe mabela kadam fo ñinto semuro ale lino nyinkan pour alsa afahamuya me yalon ko ala goalkeeper lino nyinto menketa Ibrahima Jaju aning Sexibi Musa Dibaga ñille keta multi mel yalon ko ay tombong mel mu goalkeeper ti ni nata defense line nyinnam menketa Umaru Koli aning Umaru Gay aning Laris Joseph Cisse aning Daddy Dudu Gay aning Momodu Lamin Lion Jai and Momodu Lion Jai aning Sirifu Sanyam ñille keta multimel keta la defense line o ñinti ni nata midfield ñinna ay mel tombong ala midfield line o ñinto wala keta Sekou Touré Ibu Adam memu Ibrahima Adam aning Abubakari Sar Alasana Jata aning Muhammad Bajo aning Ibrahima Dabo aning Aliou Diallo Aliou Diallo atekera molete me yalon ko ay injury soro kamulu nga fale nyame bare ya mo sende anotole amen keta la Ford nyindi Ford line on nyindi ay mel fanan tombo woto wala keta Musa Baro Aliou Fadera aning Jibrili Silla aning Yankuba Minte Abdoulaye Sanyang Aliou So aning Abdoulaye Cissé Alassana Diatta ñille keta multi millialon ko ay ñille tombong millialon ko anibe ni World Cup qualification me yalon ga be play kan Africa kono Gambia no la ñi coach min keta Jonathan McKinstry ay ñille tombong ani mel yalon ko iba play la hansa no boda je ko de si jibiro kale kibaro dul fan na mel yalon ko nge sotale nun jam janim betambira o Jonathan McKinstry atala fongo nyinkono ya bi menketa ila force session training nyinti ye me yalon ko ya soto Africos banko nyinkan damenketa Abidjan so video nyum fana natale Aliou Jibe o kola sina tambi nga jibiro ke kibaro la mel yalon ko ngi sotale angale kala kana ke di alla maninka kala.
The camp has formally begun. Today's first training session we had here in Abidjan. What is the general feeling in the camp?
I think it's very lively in the camp. That's the energy's there. What we've seen is that the guys haven't been together for 5 months. It's been November the last time they were together, and so you can feel that energy. Everyone's pleased to be back together. We're a big family in the Scorpion squad here. We try to sort of really promote that, togetherness within the group. And yeah, so the energy's been really good. That's transferred on to this evening's training session. Energy was really good, and so yeah, this has been a really good start. So hopefully we can carry that forward in the days to come into the Kenya game.
I know it's always a challenge, first day of training. As you can see today, you don't have a full squad in place.
Yeah, it's always the way. Look, a number of players were playing yesterday on Sunday, so naturally they arrived today. And even there was a couple of guys arrived a couple of hours before training, but we very clearly said, no, you're not allowed to train because you can't step off an airplane and go straight to training. So we said, go, eat, sleep, and then they'll join tomorrow. Okay, so because it's hand in hand. You got to have players, yes, ready to play in terms of their technical level and their tactical level, but physically they've got to be right as well. So we had 15 out here today, and we'll have a full complement for tomorrow's training session. But yeah, we're pleased with where we are.
I mean, the World Cup campaign started very badly for the Gambia. We lost our first 2 games. Then we came in after 2 matches. We have 3 points. 1 win, one draw. Now, going into the 5th match day, how important is the game against Kenya towards our qualification games?
Yeah, look, as you said, even before I came in, the campaign had started, and sort of after 2 games, 0 points. So it was already a bit of a hill. It wasn't a mountain, but definitely a hill to be climbed. And that's really still the case. Look, there's other teams who have several more points than us. Even our opponents, Kenya, I think, are on 4 points coming into the game on Thursday. So we've got to get going. It's important to pick up as many points over these 2 games as possible. And we have the quality to do that, both against Kenya and against the Ivory Coast, but both games are very different challenges. We're going to have to approach both games in a slightly different way, but look, we've got quality in the squad, but full focus, number 1, as it always is putting in the best performance we can, and if we put in a top performance, I always think we won't be far away from getting the right result.
Coach, we know that you have a couple of players that are joining for the first time, the likes of Musa Dibaga, Sekou Toure. We know somebody like Serif Sinan, he's coming back into the team for the first time in nearly 4 years. Omar Getu has been away since your first campaign in June of last year. I mean, what would these players bring to the team, you think?
Well, quality is the answer. I think, as I've said many times, the Gambia, we're very blessed with a lot of players. We've got almost 200 players playing professional football, earning a full-time living out of the game around Europe and the Americas and Asia, and also other ones around different parts of Africa. So we have a lot of quality, a lot of depth. And so when people break into the squad, the likes of Musa, the likes of Sekou, the likes of Jibril Silla, it's because they've got quality and that they've been performing consistently at club level. It's not like they've played 4, 5, 6 games and, maybe it's good, maybe it's, just a temporary thing. These guys have been consistent all season, so we hope they can bring that consistency to the national team. But also I think they're all very good characters, and we want to add good characters to the group. But yeah, we're excited. They've done well in the first session. They're being integrated into the group well. Got all the rest of them. Seasoned campaigners have made them feel welcome. And yeah, we're looking to see more of what they can contribute over the coming days.
Finally, Coach, Gambia is a predominantly Muslim country. Is this your first time training a team in Ramadan? And if yes, how do you adjust to that?
No, it's not actually my first time. I've been around the world. It's actually the Gambia is the third country that I've worked in that's been a predominantly Muslim country. Sierra Leone and Bangladesh prior to this. It's my first time having an international camp during the month of Ramadan. Obviously, when I was a club coach in Bangladesh and elsewhere, but in Bangladesh almost all the players were Muslim and following and fasting. I'm used to operating a team during the fasting period, but for this we had to make it, with all the travel, with the hotel arrangements, even just dealing with the hotel in terms of the meal arrangements, the timings of things. So you can see we're training under the floodlights today. We made that a conscious decision that we wanted to train after breaking fast. But yeah, look, are we going to get everything 100% correct? Probably not. But I think we can only try our best, and we've spoken to the staff, we've spoken to the players, and really took their feedback to try and construct a week that hopefully puts us on the pitch against Kenya and then the Ivory Coast with the best energy levels possible. So, fingers crossed.
Thank you, Coach. Always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much, guys.
Hani sa ko ke si jibero kale si tenten ka jibero kale kibaro la melialon ko ni sotale angale kala kana ke dialla manika kala nyindo atabedende menna wo mu Senegal la nyin kata dam fulalati memu Alassana Diallo atele kata moti me yalon ko ko kabring ay kata dam fo kenum Spain banko nyin kan ela kata dam fo bunda nyinto wol nata ka moti me yalon ko ya kumandi membe dendin ko kata dam fo nyina pour ayta ay kafuma kata dam fo nyina kumandro fana bota Senegal kata dam fo bunda bulu me yalon ko baring ni World Cup qualification o me yalon ka be play kam wol fana ya kumande pour ayna nan ayna kata dam fo nyinta ka play kumande bunda fulol be benta kan nu nyola pour ka kumandi kanana kata dam fola bare menketa nyim funding kewti memu Senegalais la nyin kata dam fula de memu Alassana Diallo atenara ka molati me yalon ko ay choose ay tombondroke menketa Senegal la nyin kata dam fu timo mole akabe tala abita Senegal le kata wolle represent kata wolle makoy kata dam fu nyinna no bode je hansen ko ke si jibero kale me yalon ko be dending ko ning musu funding kewlo mel yalon ko be play kan memu Africa la ni musu funding kewlo mel be siol be sanji tang aning worowla mel yalon ko ifanem be World Cup qualification o ibole play kan ni 2025 sa ni kono ifanem be World Cup qualification o le play kan timul mel yalon ko benta mel yalon ko ya mel bute timul mel yalon ko benta ya katanya dal mel yalon ko yeso sendung aleo kono kolfanan kibarota ke dialla follow menketa Uganda la funding ke musolu melketa under 17 wolning Kenya la benta Kenya Uganda muta ke bute 2-0 la Cameroon ateketa molleti itelefanan in Ethiopia la benta Cameroon yate 5 le soto Ethiopia ate 2 le soto Cameroon ye Ethiopia bute 5-2 la no bataje ko ke Tanzania ate aning Zambia la benta Tanzania 0 Zambia ate 3 la soto Benin ate ning damen benta wala keta DR Congo Benin ate 2 la soto DR Congo ate 0 la soto South Africa ate ning Nigeria la benta Nigeria 3 South Africa 1 Botswana ate ning Algeria la benta Botswana ate 2 la soto Algeria 1 Africa Coast attending Burundin Benta, Africa Coast 1, Burundin 3. Sierra Leone attending Jinele Benta, wolle tata 2-2 melialon ko imanyuno itata drola nyille keta women's youth 17 women's youth 17's World Cup qualification o me yalon ka be play kam nyille keta walla resulting men soronu walla karola nobody hansa ko de ke si jibero kale me yalon ko be dending Libya menketa Libya Italy yela training dulato ya training follow nyin sotale membe dending nyin World Cup qualification o me yalon ko inyanda ka play Libya Italy yela training nyin ya soto me yalon ko ning Angola nyanta bennale aning Cameroon ila World Cup qualification o nyin kono me ya nyaton kaya wala keta Senegal la nyin former coach nyenti menketa Aliou Cissé atelebe coach ala se Libya banko nyin kan sayenteng Libya la football ila national football team nyin Aliou Cissé atelebe sambala da membe kala ni World Cup qualification nyin ila play nyin atelebe inyaton kayala o fananto nobody jan sen ko de kensi jibero kale me yalon ko abe dending ko nobody jan sen ko de kensi jibero kale nyin kibare do fananna me yalon ko abe dending menketa Kenya itelle keta bankute me yalon ko be daro ke kan menketa 60,000 capacity menketa stadium moti me yalon ko balo kan sainteng da menketa Kenya nyinkono da menketa Kenyatta stadium me yalon ko ibe mendada kan sainteng me yalon ko yaitande ko iko anyanta capacity mental wolom 60,000 capacity me yalon ko ibalo kan Kenya banko nyinkan woto kale tento kale jay ka fale ala baraka bake al nal badi malum Lamin Fankama